everybody, back to Brandon Hatley. Well, Wolf, actually, I'm gonna start. I wonder which I should change my phrase to. Like every time I do my videos, I start off like one of these kind of videos. I say, back to Brandon Hatley. But I don't want you guys to choose. Like, just say what kind of phrase you want me to do. Kind of like, back to Solo Wolf. Away from me, Nat. Freaking dumb gnats. Oh my god. Okay, I'll just ignore them, because they're brats. And they're bitches. Okay. I'm gonna be doing another... Keep hearing something out of my window. Sounds like someone's chopping a tree down. I see wrinkles every time I do that. Okay, burping. Hey, person chopping the trees down. Get a load of this. Not that one. On Instagram today, that Pikachu that you see right over there, you can see it from here. I used an Instagram picture, and that's what it was. Instagram. I put it on Instagram.